today evening is like, we completely forgot to introduce ourselves because we were so waiting for the program to start, and we were like, okay, come on, let's go start the show. And like, all right, here we go. I am so honored to be your co-host tonight, and I'm Swati Utakuri, and I am currently residing in Connecticut. I was honored to be crowned as Mrs. Universe Connecticut and Mrs. Universe USA second runner-up in 2025 by Mydream TV. And since then, I cannot just say how thankful I am. My opportunities has been enormous, and I have to keep turning down them because of my personal challenges, but that's a different story. On the other hand, you know, I'm a mom of two. I'm a very proud mom of two, and I'm a systems engineer, and I can't wait to be entertaining you all tonight. Hopefully it's not going to be so boring. But with me is my wonderful co-host, Mohana. Over to you, Mohana.
Thank you, Swati, and congratulations for your title and all your achievements. I know how hard we all work to achieve what we have. So hello, everyone. I'm so honored to be the co-host for Miss Bharat New England. I am Mohana Namle Zog, and again, I'm a mom of two, a healthcare professional. But also I have won the titles of Mrs. South Asia World, first runner-up, and also Mrs. Bharat Connecticut Universe. So that's about me. And honestly, I want to specifically say something because my journey in pageantry started like 7 years ago. And in the few initial years of my life, I remember I had not won any crown or I had not achieved any title. So the first title that I received was Next Top Model, Mrs. New England, right on this stage. I was crowned by Harna Sandhu. So I'm so proud about that I'm getting this opportunity to stand here on the same stage and host this evening. So thank you all for being so patient and kind. And I love New England pageant, my favorite team. Awesome. So that being said, I think this would not have been possible without our amazing state directors. They have put in so much of hard work, so much of energy to bring all of us together.
So we welcome you all to Miss Bharat New England 2025, co-presented by Mydream TV.
Absolutely. Please give a big round of applause for Mydream TV, to our CEO and founder, Janak Sir, Rashmi Bedi. They both are our pillars of strength, pillars of Mydream TV. They have ensured that we all have this beautiful platform where we can gather ourselves, grow our self-confidence, and also transform our lives into something which we had never imagined before. So thank you so much, Rashmi ma'am and Janak sir. Because of you, we are here. We are proud to be your queens. So thank you.
So before we start off our heritage round, I feel like we need to introduce our beautiful panelists over here, our judges. And without you guys, I don't think we'll be here tonight. Our contestants are like very curious and very nervous, but I'm sure with all your questions, you guys will put them to ease. So first we have, yeah, go ahead.
I'll go ahead. All right, so we are going to be introducing our beautiful, beautiful judges for the evening. For the evening. So let's go with Priya Samant, who is a community leader and impact advisor. Priya Samant is a visionary. May I please have Priya stand up? Yeah, please give her a big round of applause. She's a visionary polymath at the intersection of artificial intelligence, cultural diplomacy, and cinema. She's the CEO and co-founder of Abris Inc., an AI startup driving frontier innovations. In 2019, she pioneered the groundbreaking Impact Advisor credit title in Indian cinema, an influential role she continues to shape. Her notable film credits as Impact Advisor include the Oscar-listed documentary My Home, India, The Kashmir Files, The Kerala Story, Paro, The Untold Story of Slavery, and the soon-to-be-released Hollywood film American Warrior. Oh my God, that's amazing. Recognized as a respected global voice, Priya has spoken at the inaugural WAVE Summit, an initiative of the Government of India, as well as during the World Economic Forum in Davos, the United Nations General Assembly, and Horasis, where she has led and moderated key discussions on AI, entrepreneurship, technology, and cinema. That is Priya Samant for you. Ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big round of applause. And ma'am, we are very honored to have you here today.
Next we have Meena Kshi Arora. Goes by Meena. Meena is honored to hold the title Mrs. Universe USA. As a Vastu consultant and personal coach, she empowers people to align their spaces and their lives with harmony and success. With a career in pharmaceutical industry and a passion for making a difference, she stands for beauty with purpose, strength with compassion, and success with service. It's my privilege to welcome Meena to one of our judge panelists. Thank you, Meena.
Amazing. Thank you, Meena. Next, we have Dipali Trivedi. She is an MIT entrepreneur. Dipali Trivedi is an MIT graduate and serial tech entrepreneur who has sold her second tech company in Q2 of 2025. She is currently working as a co-founder and CTO of Everyday Life, a fintech that serves middle-income families with innovative insurance products and financial planning using AI and ML. Prior to Everyday Life, she founded Cloud Fountain Inc., a consulting firm focused on big data and Salesforce CRM consulting. She's an influencer for women in tech to break the glass ceiling and fight gender bias. She lives in Boston and loves to hike. She hiked Everest Base Camp in 2024. Oh my God, that is Dipali Trivedi. Please give her a big round of applause.
Next we have Patrick Jerome. Thank you for being here, Patrick. Patrick Jerome, born in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, discovered his storytelling gift at age of 8 and has since become an internationally acclaimed independent filmmaker. Founder and executive director of Boston International Film Festival, he has written, directed, and produced numerous films including Deportation, Holla at Me, Open Vacancy, and the award-winning Against the Jab. His company, B-Way 7 Productions, originally established in Haiti, also created the TV series International Rhythms. A longtime Boston arts leader, Jerome continues to bring powerful socially driven narratives to global audiences while championing cultural exchange and independent cinema. We're great to have you here, Patrick.
Thank you so much, Patrick, for being here. Now, next on our panel, we have Ramesh Sangle. He's from Connecticut. He is our Mr. Bharat Connecticut, and then went on to win the title for the first runner-up of Mr. Bharat in the Nationals. So Ramesh Sangle is an Indian television actor who's worked for famous Hindi channels like Star Plus, Colors, ZTV, MX Player. He is known for famous serials like Imli, Ye Hai Chahte, Molaki, Bhagya Lakshmi, and he is also the first runner-up for Mr. Bharat USA Nationals as well as Mr. Bharat Connecticut. Thank you, Ramesh, for being on the panel.
Next up, we have Janique Xu, avid baker and yarn crafter with a touch of savoir-vivre, courtesy, manners, and fashion. An avid baker who finds joy in the smell of fresh bread and the sweetness of homemade desserts, and a yarn crafter who turns threads into stories. Life for her is all about art of savoir-vivre, living with grace, kindness, and style. Whether through good manners, thoughtful fashion, or creative hobbies, she loves adding a touch of warmth and elegance to every day. Thank you so much, Janique, for being here.
Next on our panel, we have Preeti Goyal. Preeti is from Connecticut. As Mrs. Bharat Connecticut title winner of 2024 and the founder of Preeti Amara collection, she carries the pride of her roots. She has showcased her collections at the New York Fashion Week and has been admired by all. She's a teacher by profession and a queen at heart. Thank you so much, Preeti, for being on this panel and judging our contestants for tonight. Thank you.
Next up, we have Pallavi Javale. Pallavi is a microbiologist by profession, a passionate dancer, and a Zumba instructor. She proudly carries multiple titles: winner of Mrs. Bharat Elite Connecticut, runner-up at Mrs. Bharat Elite USA 2024, recipient of the Iron Lady of the Year Award in 2025, and the most recently, the winner of Mrs. UK Universe 2025. Wow, that's a lot of titles, Pallavi. Crowned at the prestigious House of Lords in the British Parliament, UK. We're so grateful to have Pallavi here as one of our judges. Thank you.
Thank you, Pallavi, and we wish you all the best for your Mrs. Universe pageant in Philippines. Thank you. All right, so next we have Yash Malhotra from Connecticut. So, Yash Malhotra has won the title for Mr. Bharat Connecticut in 2024 and also won the title of Mr. Bharat USA 2024. Known for his charismatic presence, cultural pride, and dedication to empowering others with his smile and Bhangra dance moves, he lives by the motto, always smile and keep helping others. As a title holder and role model, Yash is honored to bring his experience and perspective to the judging panel of Miss Bharat New England 2025. Thank you, Yash. We are honored to have you here tonight.
Next up, we have Srinidhi Kantle. Srinidhi Kantle, a multilingual software engineer from southern India, now thriving in US. She is the Mrs. Bharat Connecticut 2024 first runner-up and a proud New York Fashion Week model. A dancer, fitness enthusiast, and a passionate traveler, she believes true beauty radiates when confidence meets compassion. We're welcoming to you here as one of our judges, Srinidhi. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Srinidhi. And last but not the least, we have on our judging panel Swapnali Vani. Let's give her a warm welcome, a talented software professional, an inspiring mother, a fitness enthusiast, and a truly gifted artist with remarkable skills in fashion designing. Her passion for showcasing the grace and elegance of the Indian sari globally is truly commendable. Let's come together to celebrate her extraordinary achievements. Thank you, Swapnali, for being on our judging panel. And
so that's all our judges. I mean, let's put our hands together for all the wonderful judges. And we're not going to make you guys wait anymore. So we're going to be starting off with the heritage round.
oh my God. I am excited to see what the contestants are up to and how they're going to be presenting themselves. But trust me, this is going to be one of the most amazing rounds ever. So let's all put our hands together and welcome our contestants for the Mrs. Bharat New England 2025, the ethnic round.
In this round, our contestants will showcase their Indian roots, traditional dance, traditions, Indian tradition, and culture through stunning outfits that represents their heritage. This is where elegance meets tradition. So please put our hands together to all our contestants.
Woo! All right. Here come our Mrs. Bharat New England contestants. Please put a big round of applause for them and cheer for them as they walk the stage. All right. So please welcome our contestants. Let's begin with contestant number 1, Sneha Banerjee. Sneha is a dynamic leader who blends technology, art, and athleticism. As a technical director, she drives innovation while pursuing passions for dance and painting. A former national level athlete, she carries discipline and dedication into every aspect of life. Above all, she is a devoted mother, inspiring others through her unique balance of talent, passion, and love.
Thank you, Sneha.
That is our contestant number 1.
Now we have our contestant number 2, Namrata Kuravala. Grace in every step, passion in every heartbeat. Here comes Namrata Kuravala, a finance professional by day, toddler mom by night, a dedicated wife by heart, and with dance in her soul, she blends tradition with ambition. Tonight, she stands proud to inspire women to honor their roots while reaching fearlessly for their dreams. That is contestant number 2, Namrata Kuravala.
Next, let's welcome contestant number 3, Megha M. Rahul. Megha M. Rahul, born in India, brought up in the Middle East, and now living in the US with her husband Rahul and 2 lovely kids, Advait and Niharika. She is an insurance underwriter who is passionate about dancing, food, and playing badminton. She enjoys interacting with people and listening to their stories. That is our gorgeous contestant number 3, Megha M. Rahul.
Now we have contestant number 4, Yoga Priya Ashok. Priya is a passionate scientist in a biopharma company with a goal to help cure patients faster. She has been mixing formulas in the lab for 14 years and mixing outfits since childhood. A fashion lover at heart, she loves exploring colors, fabrics, and styles, finding that fashion sparks her creativity and self-expression. She's also an avid handloom supporter. She believes true style is where culture, creativity, and confidence meet, rooted in her Indian tradition. That's contestant number 4, Yoga Priya Ashok.
Next, we have contestant number 5, Jumana Ranguni. Jumana Ranguni, a radiant soul with a zest for life and a heart full of joy. Whether she's singing, exploring her many hobbies, or simply sharing a smile, she lights up every room she enters. Already a queen in the eyes of her loved ones, she rules hearts by bringing happiness and warmth to everyone around her. Put your hands together for contestant number 5, Jumana Ranguni.
Now we have contestant number 6, Anita Gowda. Anita is a software engineer by profession and a devoted mother of 2 amazing girls. When she's not solving problems behind a computer or joyfully chasing her daughters, she finds freedom in dance and peace in gardening. Dance lets her express what words can't. Gardening teaches her patience and the quiet beauty of growth. Now stepping out of her shell, Anita is shining brighter than ever for herself and for the little eyes watching her lead by example. That's contestant number 6, Anita Gowda.
A quick announcement for the judges. Contestant number 7 will join us at the end due to her leg injury. So I will be skipping to contestant number 8. Please welcome contestant number 8, Ashita Dadlani. Ashita Dadlani is a woman who turned life's challenges into stepping stones. From overcoming personal battles to founding Empower and Flow, she now helps others trust themselves, rise above limiting beliefs, and embrace their true worth. She stands here to remind every woman that her voice, her story, and her strength can change the world. That is our contestant number 8, Ashita Dadlani.
Now we have contestant number 9, Sipra Nayak. A modern-day superwoman, proud mother of 2, full-time professional, MBA student, and the founder of AASA Couture, bringing the vibrant cultures of India states to the US. Known for her legendary determination, her dad warned her husband, "You'll never win the argument with her." She mastered juggling a 9-to-5 graduate studies, a business, and her love for art, dancing, and mural painting. That's contestant number 9, Sipra Nayak.
Okay, so next up we have contestant number 10, Lasya Priya Amuluru. Meet Lasya Priya Amuluru, a passionate pastry chef, entrepreneur, and proud winner of Mrs. TAGB 2025. Originally from Bangalore and now based in the US, she blends traditional values with modern creativity, crafting desserts that promote mindful eating and children's nutrition. With a background in engineering and a pursuit in nutrition, Lasya is dedicated to empowering women through education and support. A lover of dance and culture, she uses her platform to inspire health, confidence, and strength in her community. That is contestant number 10, Lasya Priya. So this is again for the judges. We are calling on stage our contestant number 7, Rakhi Bansod. Judges, please mind. Let's call on stage contestant number 7, Rakhi Bansod.
Rakhi Bansod is an IT project manager by profession and a trained Bharatanatyam dancer by passion. Born with a cheerful spirit, she carries a natural ability to spread positivity wherever she goes. Dance has not only given her grace, but also discipline, resilience, and creativity, which she brings into both her personal and professional life. She deeply values family, culture, and every meaningful connection that enriches her journey. For Rakhi, life is about balancing ambition with kindness, embracing challenges with a smile, and continuously growing while uplifting others along the way. That's contestant number 7, Rakhi Bansod.
Next, we have contestant number 11, Sweta Pothina. From the sun-kissed shores of Vizag to the vibrant stages of New England, Sweta is a proud wife, mother of 2, and assistant manager at Energy Credit Union Bank. Fresh from winning second place at the 2025 Telugu Association of Greater Boston Mrs. Pageant, she's here to shine even brighter tonight. A passionate traveler and nature lover, she enjoys gardening, beaches, long drives, and camping, embracing the beauty in every season of life. That is our contestant number 11, Sweta Pothina.
Please put your hands together for all 11 contestants from Mrs. Bharat category.
Please give them a big round of applause as they exit the stage in their ethnic wear. Okay, we're... All right, I think there was a little bit of miscalculation in the category. We also have contestant number 12 in this category, Shrivani Settipalli.
Shrivani Settipalli is an accomplished IT consultant and above all, a proud mom to a beautiful daughter. She is known in her circle for striking the perfect balance between being strong, smart professional, and a kind, sweet presence for those closest to her. Fun fact, a self-proclaimed professional, overthinker, and unapologetic snack enthusiast, that is Shrivani Settipalli for you all. Let's put together a big round of applause for all the contestants from Miss Bharat category. Mrs. Bharat category.
We want to hear a loud cheer as our contestants exit the stage in this ethnic wear. Please cheer for them. Woo!
Thank you again for all the Mrs. Bharat New England contestants. That was really amazing.
Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure the judges have had a difficult time to figure out who to give the most scores for.
I'm glad I'm not in the judge's position right now.
Me either. Seriously. Good luck, judges. All right. So our next category is ready to shine on stage with their gorgeous beauty. Let's welcome.
Let's welcome Mrs. Bharat New England Elite category.
May I call all the beautiful contestants on stage for the Mrs. Bharat Elite category. Oh my gosh. So much beauty together. Look at them. All right, so let's begin our introductions for this category.
We have contestant number 13, Neha Bharadwaj. Neha Bharadwaj is the perfect blend of intelligence, elegance, and talent. With over 18 years of experience as a clinical data operations lead in the pharmaceutical industry, she has led programs in cardiology, oncology, neurology, and more, always striving to ensure safe and effective treatments for patients. Beyond her career, Neha shines as a passionate dancer, fashionista, and entrepreneur with her jewelry brand, Zirka Lux Jewels, reflecting her impeccable taste to creativity. A devoted mother, gracious host, and avid traveler, she brings warmth, inspiration, and unstoppable spirit to everything she does. That's contestant number 13, Neha Bharadwaj.
Let's welcome contestant number 14, Nutan Gowda. Dr. Nutan Gowda is a complex medical dermatologist and associate professor at the University of Massachusetts, whose true calling lies in mentoring the next generation of doctors. Known for her grounded confidence, resilience, and authenticity, she lives by the motto, "Stay steady, stay true." That is our beautiful contestant number 14, Nutan Gowda.
Now we have contestant number 15, Yojneesh Shakya. Yojneesh Shakya is a proud mom of 2 boys, a dentist from India, and currently works part-time as a behavioral therapist at an autism center in the USA. She volunteers with Hindi USA, teaching children Hindi, and enjoys painting, family time, and traveling. That's beautiful contestant number 15, Yojneesh Shakya.
Next up, we have contestant number 16, Priyanka Chopala. Priyanka is from Norwood, Massachusetts. Proud of her roots in Andhra Pradesh, a teacher by profession, an influencer by passion, and a joyful mother to a teenage son. Guided by her father's timeless advice, be kind, smile always, and work hard. She's here to uplift, inspire, and remind every woman your time is always now. Please put your hands together for our gorgeous contestant number 16, Priyanka Chopala.
Now we have contestant number 17, Pooja Parulkar. Pooja Parulkar is a talented clinical research professional with a passion for fashion. A proud mother of an 8-year-old boy, she is currently pursuing a styling course from a prestigious New York Institute of Art and Design. Showcasing her creativity tonight through a unique dual sari drape with her radiant smile and confident presence, Pooja embodies both strength and elegance. Put your hands together for contestant number 17, Pooja Parulkar.
Next up, we have contestant number 18, Sheetal Kocharva. Sheetal is an IT product leader and the founder of BrightX Expressions, a Bollywood dance academy. Beyond tech and dance, she enjoys gardening, food adventures, time with loved ones, and values staying grounded while continually growing. And that is our contestant number 18, Sheetal Kocharva.
Next up, we have contestant number 19, Lavanya Mandarapu. Lavanya's vision extends far beyond the stage. She believes true beauty lies in the courage to choose one's own path, even when faced with doubt. She stands for women who return to their passions after motherhood and for those redefining what is possible every stage of life. To her, Mrs. Bharat New England is not just a title, it's a powerful voice reminding the world that women not only confined by roles, but are limitless with impossibility. That's contestant number 19, Lavanya Mandarapu.
And last but not the least, we have our contestant number 20, Harini Yelamanchi. Harini Yelamanchi, a software engineer by profession and a certified makeup artist by passion, with the loving support of her husband and the inspiration of her 18-month-old daughter, Harini champions her platform dedicated to helping women break down barriers in entrepreneurship and embrace their full potential. She believes that true beauty lies in the courage to follow your dreams, crown or no crown, and in uplifting others along the way. That is our contestant number 20, Harini Yelamanchi. All right, so these are our Mrs. Bharat Elite category contestants. Please give them a big round of applause as they exit the stage in their ethnic wear. We need to hear a lot of cheering for these beautiful contestants. Look at them, look at their smiles, look at their positivity. Our gorgeous Mrs. Bharat Elite contestants. All right. Now this category, upcoming category, is the most interesting one because we all are waiting for it. So, with a loud round of applause, let's welcome the contestants of Grandmom category. We need to hear more cheer for these amazing women who are inspiration to each one of us. Please welcome. All right.
First up, we have contestant number 22, Sandhya Patel. Sandhya Patel is a proud mother of two and a grandmother of two lovely girls. She dedicated 20 years as a pharmacy technician at University of Massachusetts Memorial. Now retired, she embraces life with joy and creativity. With fashion as her passion, she continues to shine with grace and style. That's contestant number 22, Sandhya Patel. Can you guys guess? She is 67. My God.
Woo! Forever 21 for us. All right. Let's welcome our next contestant, number 23, Pushpa Karna. Pushpa Karna, mother of 4 children, grandmother of 7 kids, have boutique from 2000 called Alok. First Indian boutique with clothing and beauty and tailoring in New England. She works as an eye technician since 30 years. She has been nominated twice in New England Women of the Year, recognized as Women Business Entrepreneurs in Lexington Town. She likes to design, meeting people, singing, cooking. She's got second prize in cooking contest few years ago. She's featured in Women Who Win book, one of the few beginner writers. Joined Sue We Care, made more than 3,000 masks for that group, made thousands of masks in Alok and distributed it to the community. That is our amazing contestant number 23, Pushpa Karna. Please give her a big round of applause.
Next we have contestant number 24, Surekha Kochavara. Surekha Kochavara is a seasoned educator with 30 years of experience teaching English in India and currently working at a Montessori school here in US. A creative thinker and passionate individual, she finds joy in exploring life's possibilities. Always eager to connect and embrace new experiences, Surekha brings curiosity and enthusiasm to every endeavor in her life. That's contestant number 24, Surekha Kochavara.
Thank you to our beautiful, beautiful grandmom category.
Let's hear a huge round of applause for our grandmom category contestants as they walk down the stage. You guys are the true inspiration for everyone here.
It's so amazing, Swati. I cannot believe my eyes, really.
And it's so amazing that, you know, even at that age, they show that age is just a number and it's just limitless. With life is just possibilities. I'm just
Speechless.
I know.
Oh my gosh, they are winners for us already. All right. Next, we have our Miss and Teen Bharat category coming on stage. So let's welcome our Miss and Teen categories. Woo! With a big round of applause and a lot of cheer, let's welcome our queens from the Miss and the Teen categories.
We have contestant number 25, Sanjana Venigalla. Sanjana Venigalla is a rising senior at Lexington High School, where she serves as a captain of the Bollywood dance team and competes with the Dance for DFD Academy travel team. A choreographer and leader, she is the leader of the South Asian Student Association Dentistry Club and a part of the National Honor Society. Sanjana volunteers her time tutoring Ukrainian peers and mentoring middle school students. She aspires to major in biology and pursues a career in dentistry. Beyond academics and dance, she enjoys music and Hollywood movies. Put your hands together for contestant number 25, Sanjana Venigalla.
Next, we have contestant number 26, Prisha Konduru. Prisha Konduru is a rising senior at Westboro High School with a passion for economics, political science, and community leadership. She serves in leadership roles through DECA, Girl Scouts, and non-profit organization Pure, where she works to foster teamwork and innovation. Outside the classroom, she is dedicated to service, education, and empowering others. Put your hands together for our beautiful contestant 26, Prisha Konduru.
Next up, we have contestant number 27, Shivangi Chopra. Shivangi Chopra is a management consultant with McKinsey & Company. Originally from New Delhi, India, an engineer and MBA by training, she recently earned a master's in economics from Harvard and previously served as a civil servant leading operations for India's first semi-high-speed train, the Vande Bharat Express. Passionate about women's health, she founded Pink Ed, a breast cancer awareness initiative for schoolgirls in partnership with the government of Delhi. Outside work, she enjoys core power yoga, orange theory, discovering new restaurants, and time with her loved ones. That's contestant number 27, Shivangi Chopra.
For the judges, a quick note that contestant number 28, Meshwa Patel, is not here. So we are skipping to contestant number 29, Neil Kocher. Let's welcome contestant 29, Neil Kocher. Neil is currently a sophomore at Boston University Academy. Neil has also been playing piano for 10 years and enjoys participating in competitions and recitals. It was a dream come true when he got selected to play piano at the Royal Albert Hall in London. He is a summa cum laude Latin scholar. In his free time, he likes to play basketball with his brother or tennis and watch TV shows. If there's one thing that makes him happy, it's a good joke. He believes in the saying, being funny is a very serious business. Finally, he would like to thank his mother because she is the reason he is standing here today.
Next we have contestant number 30, Lavanya Rasya. Lavanya Rasya, a Phillips Exeter academic student, is a rising leader who blends technology, creativity, and social impact. She has researched AI for neurodiversity at Neurodive AI at Harvard University, directed an award-winning documentary on speech disorders, and co-curated a published series for MIT alumni inspired by Barbie's challenging gender stereotypes. A Lamont Youth Poet Award winner featured in Girls Who Win, she is also a South Asian cultural leader, peer mentor, Bollywood radio founder, musician, and JV basketball and JV crew athlete driven to build inclusive communities and bold solutions that empower others. That's contestant number 30, Lavanya Rasya.
And these are our beautiful Miss and Teen Bharat contestants. Please give them a big round of applause as they exit the stage in their ethnic wear. The Heritage Round. We need to hear more cheering, guys. Beautiful.
Next up, we have contestant number 31, Smyra. She is our Preteen Bharat category. Smyra Dillon is a vibrant 12-year-old with a love for dance and singing. When not performing, she enjoys playing basketball and spending time with friends, sharing laughs and making memories. Curious and eager to learn, Smyra embraces new experiences and expresses herself through both art and sport. That's our contestant number 31, Smyra Dillon. Please put your hands together.
Next up, we have our contestant number 32, Megha Venigala. Preteen Bharat. Megha Venigala, she's a 5th grader at Maria Hastings Elementary in Lexington, who's always on the go. Megha loves to dance with her DFD team, paint and draw, and explore new places when she travels. She's super social, loves making new friends, and always makes sure everybody around her feels included. Woo! When she's not being creative, you'll probably find her swimming, playing tennis, or hanging out with friends. Megha's determination, creativity, and big heart make her shine wherever she goes. And that was our contestant number 32, Megha.
So we have our last contestant for the day. Contestant number 33, Khaira Uppalapatti. She is in our Tween Bharat category and the youngest contestant for the day. Khaira Uppalapatti is 8 years old with a charming and lovable personality who thrives in the company of others. She's incredibly talkative and always eager to learn more about the world around her. Khaira enjoys a variety of hobbies, including playing tennis, dancing, and creating artwork. Her dream is to become a celebrity, either as an actor or as a sports star. That's Khaira Uppalapatti, contestant number 33.